We built this deck about 3 years ago. We installed these cheap lights. Unfortunately, they were the only things we could get at the time. But as you can see how thin those wires are and the lights. So what we're gonna do is they're having all kinds of issues with it. So I'm gonna use a brand that I trust, which is Tru-Scapes. So we're gonna replace all 6 of them under warranty, and you can just see the difference. Heavier duty design, much thicker cable. And then the other difference is these only illuminate down, where these illuminate out and down. Like this light only has one. There's supposed to be 2, 4, 6, 8. Only one is illuminated. Same thing here. This one only has 2. And I could go around all the way. So this one only has 2. So clearly these are not what we want for our customers. So we're going to install Tru-Scapes and make this right. So when you buy this box, it comes with the light, instructions, and the wire nuts. So typically when we build decks, anything under the deck we heat shrink because it's obviously difficult to access. But up here, I don't mind using wire nuts. So it's as simple as there's one wire here, one wire here, one wire here, one wire here. So you just connect one wire and connect the other wire. This is very DIY friendly. Anybody can install these. So when you install these, you want to make sure you twist it to the right, because obviously that's the way the wire nut twists on. Then you stick the silicone filled wire nut over it and repeat the process. And it really is as simple as that. Now typically what we do, obviously because we do this for customers, we silicone these down. Just a little couple dots of white silicone, and this will hold up for years to come. We're going to repeat this process 7 more times, and then we're all set to turn it on. So what I'm going to do is hit light 4, which is the light right above my phone right here, and we're going to change that to blue. So what I did is I numbered them. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's turn that one back to red. This is awesome. So you can literally change it to any color under the sun. So then all you do is you can set different scenes. So light 5, let's say, let's do that one, which is going to be that one right above it. Let's change it to blue. But I'll go up there and show you so you get a better idea. So what we're going to do is change this to green. Just like that. Light number 3. Let's change this one to, let's do blue. Blue. This one down here is light number 4. So we're going to change that one to red. And again, I'm doing this all on my phone, touch of a button. I mean, it doesn't get cooler than this. So obviously you can leave it at normal 2700 Kelvin. You can bump it up to 5000 Kelvin. You could do different colors for the holidays, for birthday parties, whatever you want to do, all on the touch of your phone. Go check out Tru-Scapes.